Welcome back to Learn CapCut in here, day 42. Let me show you how to create a video stretch animation. So we'll go back to the uniform scale that I've shown in the last video. Just make sure that the clip in the timeline is selected, and then you can see Video Basic, and under Transform, open the drop down. If you can't see it, you see the uniform scale. Uncheck it, and then width and height are detached. Let's just say we start the stretch right here. Create a keyframe for width. Move forward, create another keyframe. And then go to the max. So what we have now, it stretches to the sides. That's the width animation. We go back to the starting keyframe right here. Create a keyframe for height. We'll start with 100. We'll go forward to the second keyframe. You can use these little arrow keys right here to jump back and forth. And here we go down with the height. And now this would be the typical TV turn-off effect, where your screen gets stretched and then compressed in center. We play it. It's a little bit slow, so let us select the clip. You can see the keyframes again, and then just drag the second one on the right a little bit to the left, and this speeds up the animation. Do it again. Still too slow. We'll move it further to the left, and this is how you can adjust the speed of it. Normally after the turn off, you don't want that clip anymore, so you want to use the split tool, but be careful when you split it right at the keyframe. This will usually add the keyframe to your split element right here, and if you delete this now, this will delete the keyframe, so the animation will be gone then. See that here? So let me press Ctrl Z, go to the position of the last keyframe right here, and then move one frame to the right using the arrow keys. And then you can split it, and both keyframes will be part of the clip that you still have. So our animation is kept. And let me show you how I can invert this effect. So we'll start fresh here, go to start point, create a keyframe. But you want to start with 500 for width and 1% for height. Then go forward to right, and here we set it to 100% for each, and now we have this turn on effect. So simply use these diamond icons to create keyframes, and then you can later on reposition them on your clip directly to adjust the speed of it. And this is how you can animate a video stretch effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.